Hey everyone, it's Lydia back here with Lydia's Plate again. Just wanted to show you today how we like to make our chili. So come along and we'll show you how. One of my go-to dishes when I need to make a quick meal is chili. I'm making a double batch here, but the recipe in the description box will be for a single batch. Once the ground beef is browned, I add the chili seasoning. Once again, this is a homemade seasoning, which I will also include the recipe for in the description box. It just so happened that I only had enough seasoning left for a single recipe of chili today, so I quickly had to whip up another recipe of seasoning. Next, I add tomato soup. It doesn't have to be Campbell's, that's just what was on sale the last time I went shopping. After the tomato soup, in goes a can of beans. It can be any kind of beans that you prefer. Beans and sauce, pork and beans, homemade baked beans, etc. I normally would have added 2 cans of beans, but we've majorly been reducing our sugar and carb intake, so I only added 1 can. Then add in a generous squirt of mustard and give it another stir. Next is the ketchup. Normally, I would have added at least 4 times the amount of ketchup as what I did, but this is part of cutting back on sugar, and ketchup is high in sugar. Give it another stir to mix in that ketchup, then turn your element down so the chili can simmer and meld all those yummy flavors together. The amount of time it gets to simmer all depends on how much time you have or how much of a rush you're in to get supper ready. The last thing to go in is some shredded cheese. Again, this is very flexible, whatever kind of cheese you prefer or have on hand. I usually add marble, but this time I had a package of old cheddar. And there you go, your chili's done and ready to eat. Hey guys, thanks so much for having joined us with this chili recipe. I hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. As usual, if you have liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, the bell for notifications, and the thumbs up. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, please put them below and the recipe will be in the description box. Happy cooking!